Good morning, this is a short screencast about setting up Categories Uncomplicated in your store. Here I am in the Shopify App Store. I'm going to select Categories Uncomplicated and then click Install. It's going to ask me for permission. The permissions it's asking for are for the app to do the basic things to set up categories, but it will only do that at your direction, as I'm going to show. So I click Install. It takes a second and then opens up the app in my store. There is a getting started guide here that will take me through every single step that I need to follow. The basic starting point for this in any store is that you've probably already set up your products, collections and menus. If you haven't, take a look at this screencast and it shows you every step of the way how you do that. I'm going to close that now. First step is to refresh my categories. I can click that link, which is what I just did, and it loads my categories here. It will load all of the categories from all of the menus, and that shows that there are lots of different categories in here, including a load of things that maybe I don't want in my category list. So the next option here is to select my top level category in settings. All the categories I actually want live here inside my technology section. So what I'm going to do is go into settings. I'm going to select technology, which is the top level category I want. And that top level category, when I click save, means that all of my categories are only shown beneath that top level category. So now when I scroll down, my list of categories looks very neat. It's just the items that were inside that technology menu item. So it's computers, and under that, desktops, laptops and tablets and so on. Okay, so we're getting on really well now. The next step is to add the category icons to the default collection template. That's so that in my storefront, I can actually see those category icons. And what I'm going to do here is click Add Category Icons to a default collection template. And now, as a result, the category icons are displaying here. Now, it's not showing any categories in this collection, and that's because I'm in one of my collections that's just another collection. When I selected, when I came into, naturally, the default collection here, it also chose for me a collection to display. It's just a preview. What I want to do is actually select another one, perhaps one of my collections that I know has subcategories, like this one, computers. And there they are. It's showing me that in computers there are now 3 icons. It's put them a little bit low down, so I'm just going to drag this up. And now they're displaying where I want, above my product grid. I'm going to click save there. And then I'm going to go back to my store. So here we've got some basic categories set up. As we've seen, there are 3 categories: desktops, tablets and laptops underneath computers, and those are showing here in the computers collection that I've been working on. The next step is to have a look at that in our storefront. So I'm going to go to Online Store, View Online Storefront, and it opens it up. And if I go into the collections and specifically the computers collection, it shows me those category icons and I can click on them to go into them. Now, this is a very basic setup that I've put in here, and I've done it just because I wanted to do something quick inside 3 minutes 40 seconds, which is what it's taken so far. When doing this, I recommend taking a little bit more time. Follow the instructions in the Getting Started screencast to make sure your products, collections and menus are really well set up. Specifically, when doing your collections, it's worth doing things like uploading collection images so that when your icons display, they display with images and not without them. And also worth remembering that getting started, these icons are created for you by clicking that one link, but they're really customizable. So here I am in the Shopify theme editor. By clicking category icons, I can go into the settings and I can change loads of different things about those. Perhaps even display them without images if I want, or hide them if they haven't got an image uploaded to them. So please, by all means, install the options in here as well. And thanks very much. Have a nice day.